Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to compound a clip in Final Cut Pro X. Okay, so we have a clip here that's currently uncompounded, and how do we compound it? Make sure we select, so it's highlighted yellow. You've got to hold Command key to select them both, otherwise it won't compound. So make sure they're both selected, and there's two ways to do it. One is you can right click, New Compound Clip. You name it like this, and voila, that is compounded. We'll just undo that, and there's a different way of doing it. We do the same again, select them both, and we can press Option G, and we can name it again like this. Okay, now we have a compounded clip. How do we uncompound it from a compounded state? If you right click, you cannot see any obvious way to uncompound it. So how do we do that? Click it and then press Shift Command G. Shift Command G to uncompound it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe to the video. Peace.